Okay, in this video, we continue the key answers for the IAS preliminary exam which was conducted on 4th October 2020. Question number 66. With reference to the scholars, literatures of the ancient India, consider the following statements. First one, Panini is associated with Pushyamitra Shunga. Second one, Amar Singha is associated with Harshavardhana. Third one, Kalidasa is associated with Chandragupta II. Which of the following statement given above is or correct? What is the answer? Third only. Question number 67. In the context of recent advances in human reproductive technology, chrononuclear transfer is used for fertilization of egg in vitro by the donor sperm. Second one, genetic modification of sperm producing cells. Third one, development of stem cells into functional embryos. Fourth one, prevention of mitochondrial disease in offspring. What is the right answer? Prevention of mitochondrial disease in offspring. Question number 68. With the present state of development, artificial intelligence can effectively do which of the following? First one, bring down electricity consumption in industrial units. Second one, create meaningful shorter stories and songs. Third one, disease diagnosis. Fourth one, text to speech conversion. Fourth one, wireless transmission of electrical energy. What is the right answer? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Means all are artificial intelligence. Question number 69. With reference to visible light communication technology, which of the following statements are correct? First one, visible light communication uses electromagnetic spectrum wavelengths 375 to 780 nm. Second one, visible light communication is known as long range optical wireless communication. Third one, VLS can transmit large amounts of data transfer than Bluetooth. Fourth one, VLC is no electromagnetic interference. What is the right answer? 1, 3 and 4. Question number 70. With reference to the blockchain technology, consider the following statement. First one, it is the public ledger that everyone can inspect but which no single user controls. Second one, the structure and design of blockchain is such that all data in it are about cryptocurrency only. Third one, applications that depend on basic features of a blockchain can be developed without anybody's permission. What is the right answer? 1 only. It is a public ledger that everyone can inspect but which no single user controls. Question number 71. With reference to the history of India, consider the following pairs. First one, Auranga in charge of treasury of the state. Third one, Manayan, Indian agent of the East India Company. Eras the designated revenue payer of the state. Option second and third only. Question number 72. With reference to the religious history of India, consider the following statement. First one, Stavara Idhanis belong to the Mahayana Buddhism. Second one, Lokatravartin sect was an offshoot of Mahasangik sect of Buddhism. Third one, the depiction of Buddha by Mahasangika portrayed the Mahayana Buddhism. What is the right answer? Second and third only. Question number 73. Which of the following statements correctly explains the impact of Industrial Revolution on India during first half of the 19th century? First one, Indian handicrafts were ruined. Second one, machines were introduced in the Indian textile industry in large numbers. Third one, railway lines were laid in many parts of the country. Fourth one, heavy duties were imposed on the imports of British manufacturers. What is the answer? Indian handicrafts were ruined. Question number 74. Consider the following events in the history of India. First one, rise of Pratyaharsha under the King Bhoja. Second one, establishment of Pallava power under Mahendravarmana 1. Third one, establishment of Chola power by Prantaka 1. Fourth one, Pala dynasty founded by Gopala. Which is the correct chronological order of the above events starting from the earliest time? What is the right answer? 2, 4, 1, 3. Actually, this is a doubted answer. Actually, maybe 3, 2, 1, 4. Question number 75. Which of the following verses defines the nature of hundi, generally referred to the sources of post-Harsha period? First one, an advisory issued by the king to his subordinates. Second one, diary to be maintained by daily accounts. Third one, a bill of exchange. Fourth one, an order from the feudal lord to his subordinates. Question, answer, a bill of exchange. Hundi is exchange, is a bill of exchange. Question number 76. With reference to the book Deshir Katha written by Sakrama Ganesh Devskur during the freedom struggle, consider the following statement. It warned against the colonial states' hypnotic conquest of mind. Second one, it inspired the performance of Swadeshi trade, plays and folk songs. Third one, the use of Desha by Daskur was in the specific context of the religion of Bengal. What is the right answer? All three statements are correct. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Please share this video to your friend circle. Please give the like to this video and type any comment in the comment box given below this video. Question number 77. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact included which of the following? First one, invitation to the Congress to participate in a round table conference, withdrawal of the ordinance of promulgated in a connection with the civil disobedience movement. Second one, acceptance of Gandhi's suggestion for inquiry into the police excess. Fourth one, release of those prisoners who are not charged with violence. One only. Question number 78. The Vital Vidhansaka, the first monthly journal to have untouchable people as its target audience, was published by Gopal Baba Valankar. With reference to the history of India, terms Kulayapa and Ronapa denote measurement of land, coins of different monetary value, classification of urban land, third one religious rituals. Answer measurement of land. Question number 80. Who among the following rulers advised is subject through the inscription? Whosoever praises religious sect or blames the sect out of excessive devotion to his own sect with view of glorifying his own sect, rather than injures his own sect very severely. First one Ashoka, Samudragupta, third one Harshavardhana, fourth one Krishna Deva Raya. What is the right answer? Ashoka. Question number 81. An parliamentary system of government is one in which, first one, all political parties in the parliament are represented in the government. B. The government is responsible to the parliament and can be removed by it. Third one, the government is elected by the people and can be removed by them. Fourth one, the government is chosen by the parliament but cannot be removed by it before completion of a fixed term. What is the right answer? The government is responsible to the parliament and can be removed by it. Question number 82. Which part of Constitution of India declares the ideal welfare state? First one, directive principles of state policy, fundamental rights, preamble, 7th schedule. Directive principle of state policy. Question number 83. Consider the following statement. The Constitution of India defines its basic structure in terms of federalism, secularism, fundamental rights and documentary. The second one, the Constitution of India provides judicial review to safeguard citizens' liberties and to preserve the ideas on which the Constitution is based. What is the right answer? Second only. Question number 84. One common agreement between Gandhism and Marxism is, first one, final goal of a stateless society, B, class struggle, third one, abolition of private property, fourth one, economic determinism. What is the right answer? Final goal of a stateless society. Question number 85. In the context of India, which one of the following is the characteristics of appropriate of a bureaucracy? First one, an agency of widening the scope of parliamentary democracy. Second one, an agency for strengthening structure of federalism. Third one, an agency facilitating stability and economic growth. Fourth one, an agency for the implementation of public policy. What is the right answer? An agency for the implementation of public policy. The preamble to the Constitution of India is, first one, a part of Constitution but has no legal effect. Second one, not a part of the Constitution and has no legal effect either. Third one, a part of Constitution and has the same legal effect as any part. Fourth one, as a part of the Constitution but has no legal effect independently of other parts. Question number 87. Gold tranche, reserve tranche refers to a loan system of World Bank, B, one of the operations of a central bank, a credit system granted by WTO to its members, a credit system granted by IMF to its member. What is the right answer? Credit system granted by IMF to its member means reserve tranche. Question number 88. With reference to the provisions contained in the Part 4 of the Constitution of India, which of the following statements is or correct? First one. They shall be enforceable by courts. They shall not be enforceable by any court. The principles laid down in this part are influence to the making of law by the state. What is the right answer? Second and third. Consider the following statement. According to the Constitution of India, a person who is eligible to vote can be made a minister in a state for 6 months, even if she is not a member of the legislature of the state. Second one, according to the Representation of People Act 1951, a person convicted of a criminal offence sentenced to imprisonment for 5 years is permanently disqualified from contesting an election even after his release from prison. One only. Question number 90. Consider the following statement. The first one, the President of India can summon a session of Parliament at such a place as he thinks fit. Second one, Constitution of India provides the 3 sessions of the Parliament in a year, but it is not mandatory to conduct all 3 sessions. There is no minimum number of days that Parliament is required to meet in a year. One only. Question number 91. Consider the following statement. Other metadata can be stored from more than 3 months. Second one, state cannot enter into any contract with the private corporations for sharing of other data. Third one, other is mandatory for obtaining insurance product. Other is mandatory for getting benefits funded out of the Consolidated Fund of India. What is the right statement? Second and 4 only. Question number 92. Rajya Sabha has equal powers with Lok Sabha in the matter of creating new All India services, amending the Constitution, removal of the government, making cut motions. Amending the constitutions. Question number 93. With reference to the funds under the Members Parliament Local and Area Development Scheme, which of the following statements are correct? MPLADS means Members of Parliament Local Area Development Funds must be used to create durable assets like physical infrastructure for health, education, etc. Second one, specified portion of each MP's fund must be benefit of SC/ST population. Third one, MPLADS funds are sanctioned on yearly basis. The unused funds cannot be carried forward to the next year. The district authority must inspect at least 10% of all works under the implementation every year. 1 and 2. Question number 94. Which one of the following categories of the fundamental rights in our corporates protection against the untouchability as one discrimination? Right against exploitation, right to freedom, right to constitutional remedies, right to equality. Question number 95. In India, separation of judiciary from the executive is enjoined by the preamble of the Constitution, a direct principle of state policy, the 7th schedule, 4th conventional practice. Right answer, direct principle of state policy. Question number 96. Along with the budget, finance minister and also places other documents before the parliament which include the macroeconomic framework statement. the aforesaid document is presented because this is mandated by first one long-standing parliamentary convention, second one Article 112 and Article 110 sub-article 1 of the Constitution of India, Article 113 of the Constitution of India, fourth one the Provision of Fiscal Responsibility and the Budget Management Act 2003. Question number answer this is one. Question number 97. Constitutional government by definition is first one government by legislature, second one popular government, third one multi-party government, fourth one limited government. Limited government. Question number 98. Other than the fundamental rights, which of the following parts of the Constitution of India reflects the principles and provisions of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948? First one, preamble, directive principles of state policy. Third one, fundamental duties. What is the right answer? 1, 2 and 3. Question number 99. In India, legal services authorities provide free legal services to which of the following type of citizen? Person with an annual income less than rupees 1 lakh, transgender with an annual income of less than rupees 2 lakh, member of other backward classes with annual income of less than rupees 3 lakh, or senior citizen. 1 and 4. Question number 100. Consider the following pairs. International agreement set up subject. Alma Ata Declaration, health care of the people. The second one, use convention, biological and chemical weapons. Third one, Colorado Dialogue, global climate change. Fourth one, under to coalition, child rights. Which of the pairs given above is correct or correctly matched? Right answer 1 and 3. Thank you.